Welcome back to ICT Trading Concept. How are you all? So what I'm going to give you today, for last 1 month, if you are joining with me in my live streaming, you have already got so many information that is actually needed for trading. And today I'm going to give you a clear direction so that you guys can utilize all of that information through your everyday work. Okay. For being a profitable trader, this should be your direction. So just wait, I will explain everything I have written down over here. And if you can utilize all of this information every day, I believe you will be a profitable trader within 3 months. You need some experience, so 3 months is not a big time. So get ready, let's go to the video. Okay, first thing first, we have to do the weekly analysis. What I mean by that, when you are in a week, I mean Saturday or Sunday, when market is closed, you have to do some kind of analysis about the week, about the upcoming week. Okay, so I'm actually showing you how to do this weekly analysis in my live streaming actually for last 2 to 3 weeks, but I've also uploaded the video in my channel, so you can watch the weekly analysis video. I think it will help you. For example, last week we were expecting this down run. Okay, so when you will get some kind of expectation that this week market will go low or market will go high, you have done your first job. So that is the first thing. When you will have a direction from the weekly analysis, you have to go for the daily narrative. What did it mean? What is daily narrative? This is the same thing. I'm just doing this thing every day in my live streaming. So if you are new, please join to my live stream. That means daily narrative means every specific day. This is the Monday, this is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. In every day, how price will react. Okay, so I really don't want to go to the deep. If you are interested, please you can watch the videos from my channel. I just want to give you the idea, general idea. So first thing, when you have already decided that market will go lower in this week, will you expect it will start to go low from Monday? No. In Monday, it actually react in a specific way. It is range bound actually. And then Tuesday, you will expect some kind of manipulation. Wednesday, expansion. Thursday, continuation of the expansion. Friday, it will come back again to the range. Okay, so that is your daily narrative. When you have the weekly analysis, try to understand, guys. When you have the weekly analysis, weekly bias, you have to react with the price every day's narrative. Okay, so let's say what is the next thing you need to learn. It's actually 1 hour or 15-minute point of interest. Okay, let's go. So from daily chart, you will go to the 1 hour chart and you will mark some kind of point of interest. For example, if I'll just give you an example from here. Okay, so you can see it has actually traded this area, and this it has cleared the sell side liquidity, and you guys are getting confused. It's because you are just watching this video, but if you join to me, I am actually explaining everything I'm talking over here to my live streaming. If you can join to me over there, I promise you guys, you will be benefited. You will understand everything what I'm talking over here. So this should be your, I mean, the high time frame point of interest, and you can see there is your fair value gap. There is two fair value gap. If you are confused about two fair value gap, why I'm talking about like that way, and the same answer, you have to come to my channel. You have to join some live streaming, and then you will understand what is all. Okay, so that is the breakaway gap. All of you know, actually I expect the higher fair value gap will be traded, and then it will take the buy side liquidity. So if you get some kind of point of interest from the higher time frame, or if you don't see anything from the hourly chart, you can go to the 15-minute chart, and from 15-minute chart, the same thing. You can see this is the equal highs, and price has actually done its job over here. I mean, which can I show you? Which entry I can show you? Okay, so I think I can show you another entry setup from the 15-minute chart. Just forget this all from hourly chart, and you can see I have got another entry setup over here from 15-minute chart. So if you don't see anything from hourly chart, you can go to the 15-minute chart and you can find the point of interest from 15-minute chart. Okay, so from 15-minute chart, this is your sell side liquidity taken and market structure shift from your narrative. You know today price will go higher, so this is your upper fair value gap. There is upper fair value gap and there is your breakaway gap. Okay, so that is your breakaway gap, and all of you know I always expect price can go to the consequent encroachment of the breakaway gap. It can't break the consequent encroachment. And then you have this buy side liquidity. Later price has taken the buy side liquidity. So let's go to the next thing. So after, when you will get the point of interest from 15-minute chart, you have to go to the 1-minute chart for your execution. Let me just clean this concept as well. So when you have already got your price, I mean the point of interest from 15-minute chart or the hourly chart, you have to come to the 1-minute chart. Okay, so if you look over here, this is 1-minute chart. So I will talk about the both execution over here, I mean from 15-minute chart and also from the uh, hourly chart. Okay, so now you are in the 1-minute chart. You got this point of interest from hourly chart, this big fair value gap. Okay, and then later I will come to this 15-minute execution as well. Okay, so from here, sorry guys, you can see it has taken the sell side liquidity from here. This is the sell side liquidity has taken. This 1-minute chart, don't forget that. And you got your market structure shift over there. So this is your market structure shift. If you are confused about the market structure shift, I will put a link to my description so that you guys will understand what is market structure shift. And this is your fair value gap. Okay, so you will mark this fair value gap. Which fair value gap you have to mark? I'm actually explaining everything over there. So you can see that is your market structure, the fair value gap. When price came to this fair value gap, it went higher, and you have to mark some kind of liquidity from there, and it is taken over there. Okay, so you have to take this type of entry from, this entry is from hourly chart, and if you don't get the setup from hourly chart, you have to come to the 15-minute chart, and from 15-minute chart, this is your upper fair value gap, that was your breakaway gap. I know it is a little bit confusing, but trust me guys, you have to, you have to stay with me for understanding all of these things. And if you just attend to my live streaming, I promise you guys, this all everything will be clear to you. Okay, we took our entry over here, I mean to this area, we have taken our entry over there. It has taken the sell side liquidity and it has given the market structure shift over there. We got this fair value gap, this is the fair value gap. So we have taken our entry over there. I did all of these things in Twitter live, and you can check over there. And then we have taken some kind of buy side liquidity from there. That should be our entry. Okay, and later if you see it again, it came here and it went higher, whatever. So this is the execution things. So you have to do this type of things. Now when you will understand all of these things, what else do you need? You have to understand how to utilize the fair value gap. If there is a fair value gap, how do you know this fair value gap will hold the price or it will go through that fair value gap? How to utilize the fair value gap consequent encroachment? All of this information you have to utilize before price printing on the chart. Okay? You have to mark the drawn liquidity. Always I mark the equal lows and equal highs. I am showing you every day how to mark the drawn liquidity. So you have to mark the drawn liquidity after utilizing the fair value gap. The next step is you have to mark the market structure shift, the right market structure shift. Guys, this is very important. I don't know who tell you what you know about the market structure shift. I really don't know, but in my opinion, market structure shift is one of the most important thing for being a profitable trader. Because if you really know how to mark the correct market structure, swing high or swing low, for shifting the market structure, you can easily avoid thousands of losing trade. Okay, so that is the next step. You have to understand what you have to do next. You have to understand when you have to avoid the trade. So if you see there is a very big run in the London session, I mean, maybe it came from this area. Just let me show. It came from here to here in London session. Then you have to avoid the trade. Okay, if there is a news just ahead of you, you have to avoid the trade. After the news, you have to avoid the trade. And there are some other rules I told you already in my videos. So you have to understand when you should avoid the trade, when you have to wait for clean price action. Okay, and the last thing is how to frame a trade. So when you have the weekly analysis and weekly bias, you know the daily narrative, how this day price will work. Then you have a higher time frame point of interest, and then when you will go for the 1 minute execution. Okay, all of these things is only for the execution. All of this point is only for this 1 minute execution. Okay, when you can frame your trade for execution, you are free to take the entry. So this is the steps you have to follow every day. And if you can do this type of, I mean, if you can follow these steps every day, I promise you guys, you will be a monster within 1 to 3 months. You will be a monster. You will rarely take the losing trade. I am showing you every day how to read the price, how to do everything, and I can challenge you, no one will show it to you. All of these things I learned from ICT by myself. I never watch any other people's video. So this is all my knowledge from watching the market days after days. Okay, so guys, already who are here for few days, you already know how to what I am telling over here. I'm already showing you every day in live. And if you are new, you are welcome to join one day. Please just give me 1 day to my live streaming. I guarantee you can never leave me again, because whatever I'm giving you over here, this is kind of just gold. Okay, so if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. And that was today's video. I hope it will be insightful for you. Please, if you like, give me a thumbs up. That will really helpful for the YouTube algorithm. So many new people can understand. I mean, they will know about my channel, so that I can send my knowledge for more people, to more people. Okay, so that's why I always ask for the thumbs up. And if you really don't like, you can give me the dislike as well. I really care about your opinion. If you have any doubt, please comment below. I am always try to I always try to give you the reply and try to clear your doubts. And last thing, if you want, you can share the link so that new people can know about my channel. Okay. So that's all for today. See you guys for the next video. Until then, cheers.